Now weather with meteorologist Elisa Raffa.
We got this cool video from Austin Blue and Reed Springs. We had rain on one side of the deck and not the other. You can see the rain there, but if you go just a couple of feet to the other side of the deck, look at the sunshine. Some really cool localized downpour, and that's what we mean when we say localized downpours. That's not happening everywhere. It could literally split your yard, so something really cool today. Right now, we've got a couple of clouds in Branson at 79 degrees, calm winds, and a sticky dew point of 66. We still have this low spinning up to the north in Nebraska and Iowa, and you can see it's draping that front around it through the Ozarks. Not too much in the way of rain this evening. We've got a little cluster of some downpours and lightning pretty much along that Missouri-Arkansas border, just to the north and east of Carson, getting some of that decent downpour in Diamond City. We could have locally heavy downpours possible as we head through the overnight with some of these storms because the atmosphere is really soaked. This is a measure of atmospheric moisture pretty much showing, if you think of the atmosphere like a sponge, you squeeze it out. We're going to squeeze out a lot of rain if we can get these storms to develop. We still have some instability or some juice to work with, so we could see a couple of storms pop on the overnight, mainly south of Springfield along that Missouri-Arkansas border. A few of those could be strong to marginally severe. Is just something to keep an eye out tonight to the south and to the east. You can see these storms pop, especially after midnight. Could have a couple of storms around for your morning commute during those daybreak hours, 5 to 7. And then we'll have those die down by midday. And then another round of storms in the afternoon. With this round, we'll have to keep an eye out for severe weather as well. We could have some damaging winds, large hail, and some heavy rain with those storms too. This severe risk will likely have to get redrawn a little bit after we see what the morning storms due to the risk in the afternoon, but we could have a couple of severe storms Tuesday afternoon as well. For now, low end threat pretty much tonight and tomorrow, but again, the wind, hail, localized flooding, those are the things that we're keeping an eye out on. The next big story is the heat returns. This big area of high pressure, a hot, dry pattern sitting right over the Ozarks starting on Wednesday through Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So it's going to be quiet rain-wise, but the heat is really going to start to crank. 93 on Wednesday, 95 on Thursday, 94 on Friday, staying with the lower 90s through the weekend. Every day, the heat index, 100 to 105 to 110. So it's going to be hot again. Again, things to remember, check on the kids, check on the elderly, and check on the pets. 71 degrees overnight, some storms possible after midnight. We'll keep that storm chance tomorrow, getting around in the morning, and then we'll possibly have another round in the afternoon with some severe weather possible with that. 89 degrees tomorrow, a 7 on the Color-Rater. We'll have that last day of storms tomorrow, and then we dry out. We'll have the sunny conditions, but look at the temperatures. Hot. Temperatures in the low to middle 90s through the week with that heat index in the triple digits.
Hot is right. 105 degree heat index.
Yeah.
Gotta be careful out there. How about our Viewers Club number?
It is 2